Hey guys! Today too will show you the best stereo receiver for music. If you love listening to powerful, vigorous, and vibrant bass, then you need Pioneer Bluetooth audio receiver. Besides the AM/FM radio entertainment, you can also hook it up to a CD player and play albums. You can as well connect it to a network audio player and get the pleasure of music streaming services. Pioneer Audio is the best stereo receiver when it comes to technology. It has a direct frequency response that makes it easy for you to locate radio stations in your area. You can be able to store up to 40 stations on the gadget's preset for quick access. Read on for additional features and benefits. Direct energy design. Pioneer SX10A receiver has a design aimed at producing quality sound. The device has a shorter transmission course, clean grounding, and a firm structure that has improved damping. The distinct amplifier has the direct energy design of the Pioneer's high-end AV receivers, which enables it to reproduce superior audio content. Bluetooth wireless technology. The Pioneer SX10A has inbuilt Bluetooth wireless technology, i.e. VERT 4.2, which allows you to easily stream tracks from those devices that are compatible with it. You can either use smartphones and tablets. The machine features A2DP and AVRCP profiles, which have support for SBC and UC codecs. Auto standby. The Pioneer SX10A receiver is designed to switch off when left without control for some time automatically. The standby mode helps to prevent the receiver from breaking down due to excessive power. You don't need to worry if you forget to turn off your stereo receiver, since, after being inactive for the set time, it will go off. AM/FM tuner with presets.